Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's been a minute since I made a video, but today we have some exciting engine things going on. Finally getting to put together the engine for the 300, sitting out there. So I pulled this out. I kind of filmed it, but I didn't get the whole thing. But I pulled the engine, disassembled it, and I found that the ringlands on cylinder number 6 broke. And we had low compression there. And luckily I tested it before I pulled the engine out because I was just going to do turbos. So we found that, and I decided to have the whole engine machined out. I'm using the stock rods, but I got Wisecos on there, all gapped and ready to go. And I got the block bored out 1 mil over. The head decked, the crank magnafluxed, cleaned up, ready to go. The whole thing was hot tanked, painted, new freeze plugs, everything ready to go. So all that's left to it is to do it. Just gotta assemble it. Today's just gonna be just the short block rotating assembly, and then I'll film everything else after that. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so got the girdle off, and I put ARP studs, main studs, and I also have head studs for it, but I got those are in there, and I also got NA squirters, oil squirters for the aftermarket pistons. So should be good to go. Just kind of throw the main bearings in, thrust bearings, and go from there. Yeah, for sure.
But it does work. It does both motorhome tires to 110 psi.
Yeah. There we go.
Thanks.
So, for anyone watching this, I'm not a professional. This is one of the first engines I've built in a while, but I'm just kind of documenting the process. So, just disclaimer, no professional, but yeah. Alright, got all the fasteners lubricated. Just need to set this girdle down and get those threads lubricated, and then we can get to squeezing this thing down and setting the thrust on it. So let's go. Alright, so it's about hand tight now. Just gonna set the thrust on this baby. Alright, now we're breaking out the torque wrench. We're gonna do 3 stages. So we're gonna do 27 first, then 54, and then 80, which is the ARP spec. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So alright. Still nice and smooth. It's a good sign. Still nice and free. Don't even need the ratchet to spin it. Now, check the end play of the crank with the dial indicator. So it's about 4 thou, so we're within spec. It's good to see. Oh. All right, we're on there. Feels good. Let's torque it. Torque her up, and then we're done. Ow, fuck. Okay, so we're doing 12 foot-pounds and then 45. Okay, 12 foot-pounds. Just gonna snow up. Alright, here she is, all assembled. Torque down. She spins nicely, nice and free, nice and smooth. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will be filming the rest of the engine build and putting it back in the car and whatnot, but this is kind of the first part. So don't judge me too hard. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments or whatnot. Yeah, see you on the next one. And also I'll put a little parts description in the description. So, all right.